Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. The Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2000 is the primary legal framework for juvenile justice in India. The Act provides for a special approach towards the prevention and treatment of juvenile delinquency and provides a framework for the protection, treatment, and rehabilitation of children in the purview of the juvenile justice system. This law brought in compliance of the 1989 UN Convention on the Rights of the Child UNCRC, repealed the earlier Juvenile Justice Act of 1986 after India signed and ratified the UNCRC in 1992. This act has been further amended in 2006 and 2010. In the wake of Delhi gang rape 16 December 2012, the law suffered a nationwide criticism owing to its helplessness against crimes where juveniles get involved in heinous crimes like rape and murder. In 2015, responding to the public sentiment, both the Houses of Parliament in India further amended the bill that lowered the juvenile age to 16 and proposed adult-like treatment for juveniles accused of heinous crimes. The lower house, that is Lok Sabha, passed the bill on 7 May 2015 and the upper house, that is Rajya Sabha, on 22 December 2015. The bill was approved by President Pranab Mukherjee's assent on 31 December 2015. The act is considered to be extremely progressive legislation, and the Model Rules 2007 have further added to the effectiveness of this welfare legislation. However, the implementation is a very serious concern even in 2013, and the Supreme Court of India is constantly looking into the implementation of this law in Sampurna Behrua versus Union of India and Bachpan Bachao Andolan versus Union of India. In addition to the Supreme Court, the Bombay and Allahabad High Courts are also monitoring implementation of the Act in judicial proceedings. In order to upgrade the juvenile justice administration system, the Government of India launched the Integrated Child Protection Scheme ICPS in 2009-10, whereby financial allocations have been increased and various existing schemes have been merged under one scheme. A separate petition titled Deepika Thusso versus State of Jammu and Kashmir is also pending consideration before the Supreme Court on implementation of the Juvenile Justice Act 1997, which is applicable in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Based on a resolution passed in 2006 and reiterated in 2009 in the Conference of Chief Justices of India, several high courts have constituted juvenile justice committees headed by sitting judges of high courts. These committees supervise and monitor implementation of the Act in their jurisdiction. The original Juvenile Justice Bill only held children under 14 legally responsible for their crimes and punished these juveniles with a max of 3 years in rehabilitation center no matter the magnitude of the crime. The most important impact of Juvenile Justice Act of 2000 was that it shifted the age criterion for the legal definition of a child from 14 years and below to 18 years and below. There were many other valuable revisions surrounding child marriage and immoral trafficking as well. After the passing of the 2000 Act, a revamped Juvenile Justice Bill was passed in the Lok Sabha on 7 May 2015 in the aftermath of the Delhi rape case of December 2012, in which a minor was found guilty. The new bill will allow minors in the age group of 16 to 18 to be tried as adults if they commit heinous crimes. The crime will be examined by the Juvenile Justice Board to ascertain if the crime was committed as a child or an adult. For the rehabilitation and mainstreaming of the juvenile as mandated by the Juvenile Justice Act 2000, management committees are set up before the release of juvenile convicts. Accordingly, a post-release plan for the same is submitted to the court. Stop.